So today I'm going to show you how to repair the keyboard ASUS PR1101U, because it's better to repair than to replace. It's cheaper and better to create less e-waste. But before that, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. So this keyboard is the economic keyboard from ASUS. I like this keyboard. I like the sound and the force on the keys, but I like the keys are slimmer, and I like the force and the sound. Also, I like one thing about this keyboard, these buttons for the audio. I can mute, increase or decrease the volume, and put the computer to sleep with just one button. So I'm going to show you how to repair this keyboard. First, turn the keyboard around on the back, and you have 8 screws. Let's take out all the screws. 2, 3. If you follow the channel, you know that I always prefer to repair than to throw out the technology. 5, 6, and also with keyboards, they are cheaper, but it's better to create less e-waste. The last screw, with all the screws out, you now go to this corner on the top and try to separate the two parts of the plastic. If you cannot put your finger between these, use a tool and try to unclip like this, then the center clip and the other clip on the other side until you unclip. Now put the keyboard like this and turn until it unclips the rest of the clips on the bottom, like this, and the keyboard is open, just like this. This part is only with the keys, we don't need this anymore. So this is the inside of this keyboard. This is not a mechanical keyboard, it has these rubber connections for the buttons and 2 layers of printed circuit on a plastic, and you have the board and the cable. So you can replace everything, the rubbers or the printed circuit, the board, but unfortunately on this revision of this board, the USB cable, you cannot unplug to replace just the cable. In other revisions, if you have any problem with the cable, if it is damaged, you can just unplug the cable and connect a new one. In this revision, not anymore, but I'm going to show you how to replace the board. So this is the board here. It has 3 screws that apply pressure between the board and the connection on the circuit, of the plastic board, plastic connections. So unscrew the 3 screws and the third, remove the metal thing that create the pressure, and now you can take out the board, just simple like this. This is the board. Let's take a closer look. Let's focus this. So it's a very simple keyboard with the components here, the LEDs, and on the bottom the microcontroller and the connections that connect to these connections. So a very simple board. You cannot replace the cable, so you will create a little bit more waste more e-waste. So when you want to replace the board, you have the new one, just place it here on these spots with the plastic thingies, then get the metal thing, place it on the holes and place the screws. Let's put the center one, let's place the other ones before applying the final pressure to create the connection between the board and the plastic circuit. So let's do a final push and the board is replaced just like this. Now place the cable like this on the exit hole, then get the part of the keys of the keyboard, place it on top and push it on the bottom to clip like this in the center clip and on top 1, 2 and 3. So this is fine. Turn it around, one last clip like this and place again the screws. Put one screw here, screw it, the other ones I'll do it later. So this is how you can repair easily this keyboard, the ASUS PR1101U. So it's better to repair than to replace. So it's cheaper and you are creating less e-waste. I hope you like this video. Now subscribe to the channel because I publish new videos every week. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you have any comment, write it on the comments because I read and answer to every comment.